HBO, Haitian
HBO,
Body Odor,
Haitian Body Odor. I mean, I'm laughing about it now.
coconut,
Coconut or Frenchie, or they used to call me Frenchie.
boat people.
Boat people got it. We're laughing about it now. We're laughing about it now, but it was
Now, but
serious.
again, right? Like I used to see people go through it. Like I never because
Yeah, you
I
should
was
see people.
one
Right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that like I don't. First of all, there was no way I could say I wasn't Haitian
Right.
when my mother would just be talking Creole all in the streets. You understand? Loud, all in the streets, call you down, and then me, I used to like
Mahaja, kono
out the block.
balila.
One more say, like you know, like, oh, my mom is from Canada. Really? No, yeah, my mother's Haitian. What?
Right. Yeah, exactly what you want to do. What
She's
about it?
Haitian.
What about it?
My mother used to, and then I used to be. I wasn't bad, but I was just a curious kid.
You were a kid.
So I used to get in trouble a lot.
You were a kid with the Timun.
I used to get in trouble, and my mother didn't mind giving it to me in the
There
street.
you go.
Okay, she didn't. She didn't mind, right?
Okay. Mahaja.
So the people on the block used to always be like, "Dang, you in trouble again? That's right, I'm in trouble again. So what? So what? So you can't. So what? What you gonna do?" And then so I was really like that kid.
Yeah.
So like the Haitian kids that used to be around me, like I used to like, you know, get them back up and
Right,
stuff.
right,
Me and
right,
my
right,
brothers
right.
and stuff. But it was it was hard.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm saying that to say,
Yeah.
you know,
We can't go
now
backwards. We
though,
can't go
now
backwards.
and then was they used to be Haitian kids that used to lie and say that they wasn't Haitian.
I'm from Martinique.
They used to say everything.
I'm from what
They
I'm from the whatever. I'm from
Canada.
Canada.
They were
Yeah.
from Paris.
Yeah.
They had
But you know,
Paris.
at that age, you know,
I get it.
peer pressure is a
But I'm
lot.
saying, Pascal, like a lot of those people,
Mm-hmm.
like I'm seeing them now, and they're like in Haitian Bala, and I'm like,
Right.
wait, you was Haitian? You, you was Haitian? Like, and I'm shocked. I'm like, wait, you
Look
was
at somebody,
Haitian?
you know, and bless his soul. Look at somebody like the Kango kid, UTFO.
Right.